Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a website which will help you make $2,000 daily. Go to getpaid.com. On this website you can earn money every time you online. Earn GPT points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. So how do it work? First, do task. Fill in surveys, watch videos, play games, and more. Second, earn points. 5,000 points equals $1 get rewarded for your time. Lastly, get paid. Redeem your points for cash, cryptocurrencies, or gift cards. On this website there is fun online games. Playing games on Get Paid To is an easy way to earn money online and get paid for your time. With a wide selection of games including Sudoku, crossword, word search, pool, jigsaw, arcade games, and more, play to earn GPT points. Watch your earnings grow and then choose to cash them out or exchange for a gift card at one of your favorite stores. You can earn money by use of high-paying surveys. Get your views heard and start getting paid for your time spent online. We've got some of the best providers and research panels, offering you new ways to earn every day. You can see different offer walls too. Earn GPT points for completing online tasks. Try as many different types of offers as you can to see what you can achieve in your free time each day. Also, you can earn quick points from watching music videos, adverts, trailers to filling in captchas. There's a wealth of money earning opportunities here and you don't even have to invest too much of your time. To create an account, scroll up and click on Join Free today. And you will be redirected to this page where you need to fill your personal information. Write your username, password, email address. Enter your names. Write your date of birth. Select your country. Write your city. Fill your zip/post code. And then agree to the terms and conditions. And click on Complete Registration. After creating your account, you will be redirected to this page, which is your dashboard. And in this video, I'm going to click on your surveys so that I can money. You will be redirected to this page where you need to answer different questions honestly and complete surveys so that you can earn money easily. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.